Hi, are you ready to learn some new words? In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. The base word in this video is teach. Here are some words related to the base word. Teacher, teaches, teaching, teachings, reteach, teachable. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. I love to teach. I am a teacher. She teaches math. He is teaching English. His teachings are popular. He had to reteach the lesson. Music is teachable and practical. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.